everybody, it's 5 minutes to 4 here in Brisbane on Thursday, the 8th of June, and I am looking to pick up a fight with Euro Kiwi, and this one is going to be an interesting one. So it could either work as a hedge for my potential setup there on EuroCAD. It still goes lower. I'm not giving up on that one, but nothing for me yet to do over there. It's very overextended to the downside. So a couple of things here that I like about Euro Kiwi, and also I want to share with you what would change my mind and made me go short on this one. So let's start with the long side, so for a potential buy. What I love about this chart is these two very precise touches over here. So as you can see, we pushed lower, pulled back, lower low, and straight up to a higher high. So there was a lot of buying power over here. We pulled back again. We basically picked up whoever was sitting here and trying to go higher. So if we get another touch at that area and another one potentially for compressions of price, I'll be looking to take this one, so start my offense as a potential breakout or a break and a retrace. Now I want to switch quickly into the monthly chart, and on the monthly we can see we are in an uptrend. We pull back into this strong support area around the 1.72ish and looking rather bullish. This is a nice bullish rejection candle, and looking for a break above this level would also be a break above this nice bullish rejection candle. But if we move into the weekly, what we can see is so far this push looks quite nice here on the weekly chart, but the two things in here. We had a bearish rejection candle for last week and we already broke the low of it, so that doesn't look that great from a bull point of view. The other thing is when we pull back over here, we actually made a lower low. So we'll need to zoom in to see it more clearly, but we can see the low of these two candles is actually lower than this one, the origin of the move that pushed to a higher high. So potentially there still be brewing some bearish powers in this area. So what I'm looking for a potential bearish opportunity is this one. So if the market will start to go a little bit higher but couldn't push higher than this previous high and not give me a precise touch and roll over, then this could mean that there's no more buyers left in this area, and if we start to roll over, the first lines of defense would be around here, the last place that I picked up some buyers. But if again they couldn't push any higher, then I'll be looking for a move all the way down to the origin of this move around the 1.7250 area. So this is a little bit of a hedge. If I'll see EuroCAD actually pulling back, so strengthening of the euro, we might see the euro taking on this level and continuing higher. However, if the euro will stay weak as it is, and even though the Kiwi is also very weak as well, if we'll get a rollover happening here, this is a great place for a rollover because we're sitting at the high of this chart, and that's an area that I like for a rollover more than for a continuation. So to summarize, if I get a precise touch at this level, I look for some more compressions of price, and then I would look for either a break and a retrace or a break and a continuation, depending on how the market would accumulate underneath this level. However, if this price action will not be able to go higher and starts to roll over again, then I'll be looking for a short side, and I'll want to see this area, this level worked out, so whoever buyers are still sitting here getting eaten by the sellers, and then look for a potential move toward this 172.50 area. Keep in mind that next week we also have the ECB decision, which has a higher likelihood of affecting the euro direction. Happy knockouts, everyone. Bye for now.